If you're thinking about buying GoodBarn Meta Support for your horse, you may want to pause before making a decision because the marketing sounds promising. But the real question is whether the product actually delivers enough value for the price. GoodBarn Meta Support is designed as a nutritional supplement for horses that need metabolic support, particularly easy keepers or horses that may be prone to weight management issues and insulin-related concerns. Based on the available information, the formula includes ingredients that are commonly used to support healthy metabolism, normal glucose regulation, and overall wellness. And many horse owners appreciate the focus on nutritional support instead of making unrealistic promises. However, it's important to understand that no supplement can replace a proper feeding program, regular exercise, routine veterinary care, and an overall management plan tailored to your horse's specific needs. One thing that stands out is that individual results can vary significantly because every horse responds differently depending on age, diet, activity level, and existing health conditions. While some customers report noticeable improvements in body condition, energy levels, and overall health after consistent use, others mention seeing only minimal changes or feeling that the supplement required more time than expected before any benefits became noticeable. Another factor to consider is the cost, as long-term supplementation can become expensive if you're planning to use it continuously. It's also worth noting that customer experiences online are mixed rather than overwhelmingly positive or negative, which makes it difficult to guarantee the same outcome for every horse. Based on the research, there are no obvious signs suggesting that GoodBarn Meta Support is a scam, but there also isn't enough evidence to claim that it's a miracle solution. The results appear to depend heavily on proper horse management and realistic expectations. Overall, GoodBarn Meta Support seems like a legitimate horse supplement with a reasonable ingredient profile. But whether it's worth buying depends on your horse's individual needs, your budget, and whether you're looking for supportive nutrition rather than expecting dramatic or instant results.